Hi, my name is Joshua Green. I'm the owner of Green's Eco Air Conditioning and Heating. We do air conditioning, heating, duct cleaning, insulation, and mold assessment in Daytona Beach area in Volusia County. And we've been open for 5 years now. Green's Eco Air is big into community, and we pride ourselves with honesty and getting the job done right the first time. And all of our technicians are NATE certified, which is an exam that you take to make sure that, as a technician, you're capable of going above and beyond in customer service and doing the repair. Our biggest, accomplishments is getting out there when the customer needs us the most. And that's really helped us stand out from the other air conditioning companies. We've had customers that are 90 years old that call us on a Sunday or on Christmas, and getting out there and taking care of the customer is really what's grown the business and helped us be successful. Originally, when I started my business, I was looking for ways to actually learn how to run a business. And the SBDC gave me the tools that I needed to really grow my business. And it also helps you connect with other business owners like yourself. And they have, a lot of information to share. And that's been absolutely invaluable information. It's been great. So the Growth Exchange really helped me grow as a business owner. When you get to connect with other business owners and they help you, a lot of information is shared between business owners. And the reason I come back to the Growth Exchange and now the CEO Exchange is that that information you're not going to find anywhere else. You're sitting in a room with other business owners and you're going over problems, daily problems, and it's really good to have people that understand you as a growing business owner. So that's why I keep coming back. When I started with the Growth Exchange, I wanted to do a certain number. And every time we go to the meetings, we update those numbers and we have goals. And because of the advice that I've gotten in that room, sitting with other business owners, we'd come in and they would be like, okay, did you hit your goal? And I'd be like, yeah, no, I've doubled or I've tripled my business year over year. And it's funny, it's Growth Exchange, and all my business did was grow. And I really attribute that to those meetings and the SBDC. Since I started with the Growth Exchange, my business year over year increased 100%. I've added 5 new employees on, and we've really, really grown. I would say if you're looking at joining the Growth Exchange, it is a wonderful experience to be in the group and be accountable to some extent of having your questions answered by other people or just getting advice from the other people. I think that is the biggest thing. I mean, you're not going to find that anywhere else where you can sit around the table with other business owners and the staff of the SBDC, and they really help you grow your business.